This is part 2 in the video series on colorization. Now that we've created a layer that is dedicated to the grayscale and another layer that serves as the background, we're going to change the color space from image mode into RGB color. That's important so that we can add color. Do not merge, so click on Don't Merge. And then I'm going to change the name of layer 1. That is not specific enough. I need to know what I'm doing with this. Okay. And then the next thing I need to do once I've got color 1 all set up is to go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, and then pick Hue and Saturation. I'm going to click Use Previous Layer to create clipping mask, and then OK. And then I'm going to go to this area where that has all the color bars, take the slider down to the bottom and check Colorize. And then I'm going to use the lightness bar to see what sort of color I can get. And you can see already, just as I'm moving this lightness bar, that the color is changing. And what it's doing is reflecting the color choices that are being made in hue and saturation. So if I move hue, I'm going to get different colors. And then obviously with saturation, they're going to become much brighter. If I want to make them more clear, I can alter the lightness bar, and you can see it becomes much more purple here. Purple's not the color that I'm really going for though, so I'm going to move down a little bit in blue and then reduce the lightness. If you reduce the lightness all the way to the other end, you're going to lose all of the color. So lightness controls how much of the color is actually showing through. And I kind of like that. That's kind of a Payne's gray color. This is going to be the color that is the overlay on everything else. So whatever color you pick in this layer is going to show through the whole image. But we can add lots of extra colors behind this color. And to do that, we will go back to the Layers panel and create another layer. And I'm going to call this Local Color 1. And move it underneath Color 1 so that the Color 1 remains as the overlay, and Local Color 1 is all the painted colors that I put behind that. At this point, you should save your file. From now on, save your file pretty frequently. You're going to be adding layers and lots of pixels of color, and Photoshop files can get really large really quick as a raster-based program.